What's up, everyone? It's Hillary, and today we're diving into something huge. ONPASSIVE's massive court case. You've probably heard the name ONPASSIVE. Maybe you're even a founder like me. This company is building a revolutionary AI ecosystem, and right now, all eyes are on them. There's a lot of noise and confusion online, but I've been following this closely, and I'm here to break it down for you. I'll share the 5 biggest reasons why I'm convinced ONPASSIVE will win this case, backed by facts, strategy, and the company's rock-solid foundation. We'll cover everything from their legal team to their community support, so stick around, let's get into it. Reason number 1. ONPASSIVE hired a legal dream team. When you're facing a challenge this big, you need the best in your corner. And ONPASSIVE didn't settle for anything less. They brought in top-tier attorneys from world-renowned law firms, experts in corporate and tech litigation. These lawyers have defended Fortune 500 companies and know every trick in the book. Their presence alone sends a message. ONPASSIVE is serious, confident, and ready for a marathon, not a sprint. This isn't just about expensive suits, it's about strategy and experience. The legal team understands the nuances of tech law and the specific claims against ONPASSIVE. They've dissected every detail, building an ironclad defense based on facts and precedent. They're not just reacting, they're shaping the narrative and dismantling the opposition's case piece by piece. Judges and opposing counsel know they're up against top professionals. For founders like me, seeing this level of commitment is incredibly reassuring. It shows Ash Mufareh and the leadership are taking this seriously and sparing no expense to protect the company. This team is also skilled at managing public perception and legal procedure, filing the right motions at the right time. They can spot and exploit procedural errors, turning the tide in ONPASSIVE's favor. This isn't a gamble, it's a calculated investment in justice. ONPASSIVE isn't just defending itself, it's going on the offensive with unmatched legal firepower. The opposition isn't just facing a company, they're facing a legal fortress. With this team, ONPASSIVE has a massive advantage. If you're doubting ONPASSIVE, just look at who's fighting for them. The best defenders are on the field, and that's a game changer. This alone should make anyone take a serious second look. ONPASSIVE is playing to win. Reason 2, compliance. In global tech, following the rules isn't optional, it's survival. From day one, ONPASSIVE has been obsessed with compliance, making it a core part of their DNA. Ash Mufareh's vision was always to build a legal, ethical, and compliant company from the ground up. They've invested heavily in understanding and meeting regulations in every country they operate in. Data privacy, financial laws, consumer protection, you name it. Teams of experts ensure every product and process meets the highest standards. When legal challenges arise, courts look for evidence of good faith compliance, and ONPASSIVE has mountains of it. They can show documentation, communications, and expert opinions proving their proactive approach. Unlike shady companies that hide in legal gray areas, ONPASSIVE is transparent, with physical offices in places like Dubai and a structure built for accountability. Their products, like OConnect, are designed with security and privacy at the core. This isn't just talk. There's a clear, consistent record of compliance. The opposition would have to prove willful disregard for the law, which is nearly impossible, given ONPASSIVE's documented history. It's like accusing an architect of building on sand when the blueprints and tests prove otherwise. Leadership has always emphasized doing things the right way, not the easy way. This record of intent is invaluable in court. Compliance is ONPASSIVE's shield, protecting the company and its millions of founders. They're not building for the next quarter, they're building a legacy. That's only possible with a foundation of law and ethics. This meticulous attention to compliance makes legal challenges hard to stick. ONPASSIVE's dedication is a massive pillar of their defense. It's a testament to their long-term vision. They're not just following the rules, they're setting the standard. That's why compliance is key. It's a game-winning move. Reason 3, transparency. ONPASSIVE's business model is radically open. No secrets, no smoke and mirrors. From the start, Ash Mufareh has held live webinars sharing wins, challenges, and the company's journey with founders. This creates a massive, documented record. Thousands of hours of communication, all on the record. In court, this is gold. It's hard to claim deception when the CEO is explaining everything live, week after week. The business model is simple. ONPASSIVE builds AI-powered digital tools, customers subscribe, and a portion of revenue is shared with early founders. It's a straightforward SaaS model with an affiliate component. No hidden fees, no pyramid scheme tricks. The value is in the products, not in recruitment or confusing compensation plans. Money flow is clear. Customer pays, ONPASSIVE earns, founders share in the success. This clarity makes it nearly impossible for the opposition to mischaracterize the business. Unlike companies with convoluted structures, ONPASSIVE's model is easy to trace and defend. They're open about operations, employee numbers, office locations, and product rollouts. Leaders have toured facilities. There's nothing to hide. This transparency builds trust with the community, regulators, and the legal system. Any claims of secrecy fall flat when everything is broadcast and documented. Their legal strategy leverages this openness. Endless documentation and recordings back up every claim. The facts are out in the open, time-stamped and verifiable. It's like arguing about a live-streamed event. There's no room for speculation. ONPASSIVE's transparency is a core strength. It dismantles accusations before they start. In a courtroom, clarity and evidence are king. ONPASSIVE's commitment to transparency gives them a nearly unbeatable advantage. The model is simple, honest, and built to last. That's how you win. Transparency is their secret weapon. Reason 4, the community. ONPASSIVE isn't just a company, it's a global movement with over 1 million passionate founders. This isn't a typical user base, it's an army of supporters who believe in the vision and defend it fiercely. Community support is a powerful testament to legitimacy. Fraudulent companies can't inspire this kind of loyalty. In a legal battle, this community is living proof that ONPASSIVE didn't operate on deception. Each founder has a story, and together, they create a chorus that drowns out detractors. The support is active: webinars, content creation, and fact-checking misinformation online. This grassroots defense is more authentic than any PR campaign. For leadership and employees, knowing millions have their back is a huge motivator. It turns a legal fight into a personal mission for a global family. Legally, this support shows that complaints are outliers, not the norm. The vast majority of founders are satisfied and confident in the company. A judge or jury must weigh a few complaints against the satisfaction of millions. Founders are not just early investors, they're the first customers, marketers, and brand ambassadors. Their belief signals a massive, ready market for ONPASSIVE's products. Many have been with ONPASSIVE for years, building loyalty through consistent communication. This isn't a fleeting crowd, it's a deeply rooted community. Positive testimonials and social media support create a public record of satisfaction. It builds a narrative of a beloved company under attack, influencing public opinion and the legal environment. The community is ONPASSIVE's heart and soul. Their unwavering support is a testament to the company's integrity and vision. No company built on lies could inspire this level of passion. This global family is a shield of positivity and truth. It's one of the biggest reasons ONPASSIVE will not just survive, but thrive. The power of the community is unstoppable. That's a force you can't fake. Reason 5, the opposition's case is a house of cards. Strip away the noise and you see there's no solid evidence behind the accusations. In court, the burden of proof is on the accuser, not ONPASSIVE. The opposition needs hard, verifiable evidence of wrongdoing, and so far, it just isn't there. Most claims mischaracterize ONPASSIVE's business model, trying to label it as something it's not. But as we've seen, the model is a legitimate SaaS platform, clear, transparent, and defensible. The opposition's arguments often stem from misunderstandings or frustration with development timelines, not actual fraud. Building a complex AI ecosystem takes time. Delays are a sign of real work, not deception. Real evidence would be internal documents showing fraud or a pattern of deception. But ONPASSIVE's transparent history contradicts this. Thousands of hours of webinars and open communication act as evidence for ONPASSIVE. The opposition relies on out-of-context complaints from a small minority, while the vast majority of founders are satisfied. A legal case can't be built on a few anecdotes when millions are happy. The opposition also struggles to prove harm. Founders knew the terms and the long-term vision from day one. ONPASSIVE's legal team will pick apart these weak claims, exposing the lack of substance. A case built on hearsay crumbles under expert scrutiny. Noise doesn't equal substance. In court, facts matter. If there were real wrongdoing, there'd be real evidence by now. The case lacks the substance needed to succeed. Combine this with ONPASSIVE's legal team, compliance, transparency, and community, and the path to victory is clear. The opposition's case is collapsing. ONPASSIVE is poised to win. So there you have it. The 5 undeniable reasons ONPASSIVE is set to win and come out stronger. Legal dream team, rock-solid compliance, radical transparency, unstoppable community, and a weak case against them. This isn't just about a court case, it's about proving a revolutionary vision for the future of tech. ONPASSIVE's future is bright, and this legal challenge is just a bump in the road. I'm more confident than ever that we're on the right side of history. Drop your thoughts below. What gives you the most confidence in ONPASSIVE's future? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.